Best vegetable choppers, according to testing. These vegetable choppers make prep easy and fun. The trusty vegetable chopper can make cutting veggies, blitzing up sauces and chopping herbs a breeze, while a great kitchen knife can do the job. The best vegetable choppers, whether manual or electric, help speed up meal prepping and get an easy weeknight dinner on the table quickly. We test thousands of products each year, including food processors, personal blenders and more. We evaluated dozens of vegetable choppers, including manual and electric vegetable choppers, and tested 11 of them to find the top performers. In our testing, we tackled ingredients people commonly use at home. Like onions, parsley, celery and canned tomatoes, vegetable choppers come in an assortment of styles. From manual pull or push choppers to models with motors that allow for efficient, low-effort chopping, these appliances range in material and capacity, so you can find the best vegetable chopper to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. Whether you're tired of chopping garlic for your favorite pasta sauce by hand, or looking for a quick way to prep peppers for a salad, these vegetable choppers will come in handy. Number 1. Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop. Best overall vegetable chopper. Testers love this electric vegetable chopper, because the motor located at the top of the model operates somewhat like an immersion blender. It powers a windmill-like blade to chop foods finely and evenly, producing a mince of onions in only 1 2-second pulse, making it a very powerful and efficient chopper. In fact, testers suggested that it was so powerful that they had to be mindful not to over-process. For example, after 5 pulses, onions were pureed. The large capacity bowl, which has a gripped base to prevent slipping, is great for big tasks like chopping bell peppers, but it can prove difficult when chopping smaller items, like a few cloves of garlic. The motor is detachable from the dishwasher-safe bowl for easy storage. The bowl also comes with a locking lid for storing chopped vegetables in the refrigerator. Number 2. Cuisinart Elemental 4-Cup Chopper Grinder. Best electric vegetable chopper. A food processor is a workhorse in your kitchen. It chops veggies in minutes, purees smooth dips and creates delicious sauces like pesto. And this mini food processor option takes up significantly less storage space than its larger counterpart. It's a great choice for those with smaller kitchens. But it's important to note that it can't do all of the same jobs as a larger food processor, like make dough, nor does it come with additional attachments, like a grating disc. In testing, this electric vegetable chopper produced even and finely chopped results. Whether onions or softer ingredients like canned tomatoes, the bowl is large and clear, but it does not include a maximum fill line, so use caution when adding liquid to ensure the chopper doesn't overflow. Number 3. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Best value vegetable chopper. Fullstar's chopper has gained a lot of attention on TikTok and is a top seller on Amazon. It comes with 4 different blades, a large dice, a small dice and 2 spiralizing blades, which provide versatility for chopping a variety of vegetables and fruits. Insert the larger dicing disc, and press down on the hinged lid to quickly chop firmer foods like potatoes or onions. Use the smaller disc for softer foods like tomatoes or avocados, or flip the lid open to use the spiralizing disc. Take note, if you want a perfect dice, it helps to cut the food into even planks first. Unlike other vegetable choppers, this pick is not suited to chopping parsley or other herbs, so it's best used for larger vegetables. It is dishwasher safe and has a durable, large capacity base 5 cups, so it can prep more veggies in one round than smaller models. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Best small vegetable chopper. This small capacity chopper is great to keep on hand for cutting small amounts of vegetables, like shallots or a handful of garlic cloves. The clear bowl has well-defined measurement markers, and the lid locks onto the bowl easily but securely to help prevent spills. The grippy base resists slipping on the counter. When vegetables are being chopped, the plunger can be locked in the lowered position for more compact storage. Plus, all parts are dishwasher safe, and can be easily disassembled for more thorough cleaning. In testing, we found that the way the blade spins sometimes means that ingredients are chopped in the same place, resulting in cuts that are less even than other models. Number 5. Chef'n Garlichum Garlic Chopper. Best vegetable chopper for garlic. This small but mighty chopper is a fun way to mince garlic, a job that can be smelly and messy. Simply add cloves to the chamber, close the lid and roll the wheels on your countertop. The rolling action causes the blades to rotate, Testers found it to be incredibly intuitive and easy to use. Plus, it has a compact design and can easily fit in most kitchen drawers for easy storage. This tool is dishwasher safe, which is great since the blades and enclosed chamber can make it difficult to hand wash. In testing, this chopper minced garlic cloves quickly and neatly, so it makes a great gift for cooks who love to start their dishes off with this ultra flavorful aromatic, but testers did note that it doesn't have functionality beyond garlic. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.